In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the layer of different audio tracks in Descript. Whether you're a content creator or an audio enthusiast, mastering this technique can significantly enhance the quality of your projects, giving you control over how your audio interacts. Let's dive right in. First, let's begin by selecting the layer you want to adjust. You'll find this in the main composition view or within the timeline. Simply click on the specific video or audio layer that you wish to work on. This is your starting point, and getting this step right means you're all set to make the necessary adjustments to just the right layer you've selected. Once you've selected your layer, you'll need to open up the layer panel. You'll notice this panel appearing on the right side of your screen. The layer panel is where the magic happens. It displays all the properties of the layer you've highlighted. This means you can make various changes to tailor the audio to your project's needs. Now, on to adjusting the volume. Volume is crucial as it determines how prominent or subtle a sound appears in your mix. In the layer panel, locate the volume control feature. You'll see a slider here, which allows you to either increase or decrease the volume of the specific layer you're working with. It's that simple. By carefully adjusting the slider, you can find the perfect level where your audio sits well, neither overpowering nor fading away. Next, let's explore the panning functionality, an essential feature for creating an immersive listening experience. Within the audio section of the layer panel, you'll find controls for panning, either as a slider or a manual input field. Panning refers to the distribution of sound across the stereo field. By adjusting it, you can move the sound to the left or right in your stereo setup. This is great for creating spatial audio effects, helping you craft a more dynamic and engaging mix. Lastly, you can apply effects like ducking, which automatically adjusts the level of your background audio. In the audio effects section of the layer panel, you'll come across the lower audio of other layers option. This is often referred to as ducking. What it does is lower the volume of other layers automatically whenever the main track is playing, making it ideal for voiceovers or emphasis on certain elements without manually adjusting every single element. And there you have it, an easy yet comprehensive way to adjust the layer of different audio tracks in Descript. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a polished and professional audio project with properly balanced and prioritized sound elements. Thank you for watching and happy editing.